Hello, today I'll tell you how to modify the lithium battery for the remote control. All you need is a screwdriver and you are done. Most of our high-tech remote controls can be directly plugged into lithium batteries, and there is no need to go to external wires or external plugs. Without further ado, I'll show you the operation right away. When we removed the battery cover, to remove this screw, unplug the battery holder. 4th, insert the 7.4V lithium battery plug. Note: be sure to insert the battery correctly. 5. Cover the battery cover. Okay, so it can be used normally.